In today's class, we'll be dealing with algebra. We'll be grouping like and unlike terms. Now, what you need to understand about algebra is that algebra is a branch of mathematics in which numbers and letters are used. And the letters are often used to represent unknown numbers. Now, when it comes to grouping like and unlike terms, when you have an equation whereby you have two alphabets, let's say you have A and B, you group those that have A on one side, you group those that have B on the other side, and make sure you pay attention to the signs, whether they are positive or negative. If you mix it up, you are going to mix up the answer. Now we're going to solve a couple of questions together to show you how to group like and unlike times. Now if you look at this, let's take this as first example. We're having 2x plus 3x plus 7. This is a simple algebraic statement. If you have to group this algebraic statement into like and unlike times, now if you look at this now, this is having x, this is having x, but this is not having any letter. So this and this, we can group it together. Why are we going to group it together? Because they both belong to the family of x, or they both have time x. Why this 7 is not what? It's not similar to these two. Why? Because it doesn't have x. Now to group it is very simple. We're going to do with the one of time x before first. That'll be 2x plus 3x. And what about this 7? The 7 doesn't have any family. Now 2 plus 3x, we can add these two together because of this x. They are both similar, they both have like times. So 2x plus 3x, that will be what? 5x plus 7. Why can't we add 5x and 7? Because they are not like times. 5x and 7 are not like that, they are unlike times. Now let's go to a more complex question. Now let's say that you have something like this: 5x plus 6x plus 8y. 5x plus 6x plus 8y. Now if you look at this algebra statement, we are having two alphabets. We are having x, and we are having y. So we are having x and y. We are having x and y. So we are having time x and time y. So if we have to group this, we will group x on one side, we will group y to the other side. Now our advice that we start with x now. So we will add those numbers that have x with them. We add them together now. So this belongs to the x family. Then after that, we can now go to the y family. The y family, I think we only have plus 8y for the y family. So we can add these two together because they are like times. Why are they like times? They are having similar alphabet. So 5x plus 6x is what? 5x plus 6x is 11x. Now plus what? 8y. Can we add 11x and 8y together? No, they are unlike terms because x is different to y. Because of the different type of alphabet they have, we can't add it together. Now what if you have something like this? Let's say that you have something like this. Example 3, we're having a minus 2b minus 4a plus 3c plus 4a plus 4a plus 5b. Now if you look at this question, we are dealing with three alphabets. We are having a, we are having b, we are having c. That means that we are going to group this algebraic statement. We are going to use the base on the alphabet that we have. So we are going to have for a group, a family, for b family, for what? For the c family. So let's start with the a family. I think for a family we are having this. This is a, this is a, this is a. So for a family, I'm going to start with a. And don't forget that this minus belongs to this minus 4a, and this plus belongs to this a plus 4a. I think that's all for a. Okay, let's go to b now. If you look at b now, we are having b. This is b. This is b. So that will give us what? This minus belongs to this 2b. That will be minus 2b, and this what? Plus 5b. So we are left with the what? We are left with only the c now. And for c, we are having only plus 3c. So we have plus 3c. So let's move on. Let's simplify it for that. Now you can see that this minus 4a and plus 4a will cancel each other. This will cancel each other. 4a minus 4a will cancel each other. So we are left with a. So minus 2b plus 5b. You can say that 5b minus 2b, that will be plus 3b plus 3c.